Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, verb plus preposition. This time, hear of, hear from, and hear about. Hear of means to know that someone or something exists. For example, I've never heard of him in my life. Hear about means to find out a piece of information. For example, did you hear about the fire the other day? Hear from means to receive news from someone by email or letter. For example, have you heard from Sarah lately? So there we are. Hear of, hear about, and hear from. Verb plus preposition. With Uncle Geoff's help, they are easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.